from Arkansas's #1 trusted source for weather. This is
live on should be live on Facebook now. If I can get somebody to check the Facebook, and then also on YouTube, should be good. Sweet. All right, so we have a tornado warning for Cross County and Crittenden County here in eastern Arkansas. Sorry, we got a little delay there. We had technical difficulties. This is John Cook here with the Arkansas Weather Watchers here at our studio here in our Little Rock. So we're going to be watching the storm just to the east of Wynne, coming close to Earl. Let's see if we can zoom in. If I can make sure I got these keys good for us. Cameron's got me set up here, so let's see here. All right, so this is a tornado warning that's going to expire at 3:30. It's going to got some hail. So we did have some hail, golf ball size hail and wind earlier. This is going to be coming into Earl. So let's see if we can zoom down a little bit more. So Parkin, Earl, this is going to be coming to you pretty quickly. This storm is moving pretty fast at 46 miles per hour. It's moving to the east, northeast. So our folks down here in Turrell and Clarksdale should be taking your tornado precautions now. Let me see if I can get some update. I'm not going to be as good as Cameron and Derek for sure, but we'll bear with us. We got this going. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I appreciate that. So we're watching. Also, so this is a tornado warning that's coming into Earl, Turrell, Clarksdale, Sunset, Jeanette. We're also going to be watching the storm down here in southern Arkansas. Let's see if we can zoom out just a moment. Let's see. So this is going to be coming into DeWitt. That's not a tornado warning right now. But we are watching this closely here. But we currently have a tornado warning issued for Crittenden and Cross County. Let's see if we can get the latest update here. I hear my phone beeping. Let me see if I can figure out who's talking to me. All right, so once again, we're at a tornado warning, Crittenden and Cross County. This is going to be moving to the east at 46 miles an hour. This is going to go until 3:30 p.m. For Cross and Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas. Let's see. I think, see if I can figure out how to do the iDrive. So we have the RDOT camera. This is going to be coming out from Turrell. So you can see that in the top right hand screen. Let's see. I'm still trying to learn all these tools. Derek Cameron showed me what he's got set up here. So we're just watching the storm coming into Crittenden County now. It should be coming close to the I-55. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so this is going to be, if I can get a specific location. It's kind of hard to tell. So Parkin in Earl, this will be coming into you pretty quickly. This is moving at 46 miles an hour. We have a tornado warning for Crittenden County and Cross County in eastern Arkansas. Let's see if we've got any updates on that storm south. We have hail threat, Monticello. So we have several thunderstorm warnings going on here across Arkansas. If we zoom out, we can see all the way down here to Louisiana. coming up through eastern Arkansas to the east of Stuttgart. We're going to have eastern Mississippi County under this thunderstorm warning as well. But right now we have a concern with this tornado warning that is going to be east of Wynne. This is going to be Crittenden and Cross County. This is going to be until 3:30 p.m. This is moving at 46 miles an hour. We are watching the iDrive, the RDOT camera on Interstate 55 to see if we can see anything. Looks like there's going to be a lot of rain in this as well, so I'm not sure how well anything is going to be visible for us. Let's see. If you're going to be Highway 75, Twist, I think Twist is up here somewhere, is Watson Road, Lunsford Road, going all the way down to Rogers Road. So this is going to be coming near the community of Earl pretty quickly. Let's see if I can get an update on the radar. There we go. So we got an update on the radar here. So yeah, it looks like Earl still going to be in this tornado warning. We now have a tornado warning for St. Francis and Mississippi County. So they're going to extend this tornado warning over into Mississippi County and St. Francis. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this updated here. There we go. So this storm is, let me see what the update is. It's moving at 39 miles an hour. Let's see. They're not really talking much about this storm over here in Mississippi County. That's coming into Mississippi County now. Let's see. The storm down here in Phillips and Lee County has a tornado possible tag on it. Let's go down there and look at it. Let's see. This is going to be Lee County. So this storm going to be in eastern Arkansas. Thunderstorm warning until 3:45 p.m. This is going to be radar indicated with tornado possible. This is going to be down here in Helena, West Helena, so we're going to be watching this storm as well. Once again, we have a tornado warning down here for Crittenden and Cross County that's coming into Mississippi County. This tornado warning is until 3:30 p.m. Let me get an update. See here. Let me see if they got any updates going on with this storm. Watching the RDOT camera here on Interstate 55 crossing into Turl. This is moving at 39 miles an hour. Make sure you take your tornado precautions if you're in the Turl area. This is going to be coming into Joyner soon. Clarksdale. Let's see. So these are going to be wrapping up pretty quickly. Anything that's going to be popping up here will happen quickly as spin-ups can be possible through the evening. We have another possible tag going on. Let's see. This is still going to be down here in Helena, West Helena area. This storm is moving at 38 miles an hour to the east. Let's see if we can zoom in over here. I'm going to put Derek's. So this is the state radar, so you can see the whole state that's going on. So this will be the thunderstorm warnings all the way from the Boot Hill, Missouri, all the way down to Louisiana here on the eastern Arkansas. That's going to be coming to the Mississippi River here shortly. We anticipate these to be out of the area by 6 o'clock, maybe even 7. So we're going to be watching these as these track east. Let me go back up to Cross County. I want to watch this storm that's coming into Earl, that's passing over Earl now. So let's see. They don't have any much updates on this. It's still moving at 40 miles an hour coming into Turl, Clarksdale. Should be extending this up to Joyner here shortly. This is Jeanette and Sunset coming into Crittenden County pretty quickly here. Once again, this is moving at about 40 miles an hour. I'm going to try this. I think he showed me a while ago how to do this, so we're going to go do a track. I think I broke this a while ago. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I couldn't get this to work a while ago, so let's see here if we can get this redone. I can track this again. So I want to, this is going to be in Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas. There we go. So this is going to be at 40 miles an hour. Let's see. So this looks like it's going to be coming into Crawfordsville at 307, Jericho at 315, Turl at 316, Marion at 318. So this is moving at 40 miles an hour into Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas. Let me see if they got any updates on the one at Helena, West Helena. Let's see. Don't see anything for that yet, but we're watching the storm that's in Crittenden County. Should be crossing the river here the next little bit as it moves to the east out of the state. Let's see if I can figure out how to get an update on the radar. Let's clear our track for a moment. So this is going to be coming into Clarkdale, Turl, Sunset. This is a tornado warning for Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas. That's going to be, looks like it's got an 1 3/4 size hail in this storm coming into Crittenden County. We're going to continue to watch the storm down here in Helena, West Helena. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's, let me go back over here. So this is a thunderstorm warning down here in Helena, West Helena, Holly Grove area, St. Charles, DeWitt. This is just a thunderstorm warning. It's going to be tornado possible coming into Marvel, Helena, West Helena. So we're watching this storm as it moves east at 40 miles an hour. Let's go back up to Crittenden County, where the tornado warning for Crittenden County continues until 3:30. This is going to be a radar indicated. It's moving east northeast. I guess it's got a little bit of a northeast turn to it, but it is moving east at 40 miles an hour. It should be coming in close to Turl. Let's go back to our RDOT camera. RDOT camera, let me see. Let's go hide that. So now this is the RDOT camera here at Turl. This is looking westbound. So I don't know if we can. So this looks like it's probably looking toward Gilmore, probably, I think is what it's looking toward, on 555, perhaps. I wish we can look to the south. It's really where we need to be looking on that camera. Let's see. Let me see if there's another camera over there. Hang on just a second for me. Let's see. I go back to the RDOT camera and see if we can find another camera looking south. There's one at Gilmore that's looking south. Let's see what it says here. Okay, let's look at this camera here. This is looking northbound on Highway 555. Yeah, I don't really have any good cameras. Let's go over here and see. While we're looking for this, looking for an RDOT camera in the area, this is going to be a tornado warning for Crittenden County, Cross County. This is going to be radar indicated, moving at 40 miles an hour. It's moving toward the Mississippi River. So those in eastern Arkansas and Crittenden County need to be taking your tornado precautions at this time. I'm not finding any good cameras down there to try to find a good visual of anything going on. Let's see. Yeah, James Mill Road, that's too far. Let's just go back to Turl and see how that camera is looking over here. That's going to be northbound. Let me go back to where my camera was, Turl. Yeah, so let's watch this camera here, see what can happen with it. Oh, you're not seeing it? Okay, let's go back and look at the camera. So I'm going to hide that, go over here. All right, now we can see the rain moving into the area of Gilmore. This is a tornado warning that's going Not seeing any damage reports. Okay, let's see. Okay, so once again, we got a tornado warning for Crittenden County and Cross County. This will be moving into southern Mississippi County near the Wilson area here shortly. I thought there was a tornado warning already issued for Mississippi County, but I'm not seeing it here. Let me just confirm that. So they're going for a tornado warning. Okay, so there's several tornado warnings going on in the Tennessee state. They're fixing to issue a tornado warning for Madison County, so that's over there in Tennessee. So we're going to be watching these storms as they continue to move east over the Mississippi River. Right now, we just got a thunderstorm warnings all the way from the Missouri Bootheel, going to all the way down the east Arkansas, all the way down to Louisiana to El Dorado. So we're going to be watching these storms. This tornado warning is the only thing that we got. We only have one tornado warning. This is going to be up here in Cross and Crittenden, coming into Turl and Clarkdale here, north of Sunset. It is moving east, northeast at about 40 miles an hour. So we're going to be, if you are in southern Mississippi County or northern Crittenden County, you need to be taking your tornado precautions. Let's see. Let me see if he got me a tool to find out. Let me see where this tool's at. So we're going to go to F4. Okay, so that's that. I want to go to this. This is the debris signature. So, man, I wish we got that camera at RDOT moving to the south more so we can see. If we zoom in pretty far, so you can see the camera is going to be here along the interstate 55. I'm actually not seeing the interstate on this map, but this is going to be coming into Turl soon. Gilmore. Switch this back. We may have some pretty good hail going on too. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, so we're gonna see Earl. So this is gonna be, man, let's see if I can get an update on this. This is moved, I think. Yeah, let's and Cameron, if you're listening, I would like to figure out how to, will this automatically update the radar scans? It looks like it's not updating the radar scans. I have to do it manually. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but once again, we have a tornado warning, and this is going to be in northern Crittenden County, eastern Cross County. This is going to be coming out of Earl and into Turl here momentarily. It's going to be south of Marktree. Marktree is under that thunderstorm warning. That thunderstorm warning in Marktree, you know, it's going to be moving at 55 miles an hour. That thunderstorm warning is lasting until 4. But it looks like they moved that thunderstorm warning, let's see, over here in Wilson until 3:15. This is moving at 40 miles an hour as well. Let's go back down here to this tornado warning to see if there's any updates with it. Let's see, northern Crittenden County till 3:30. This is moving east northeast at 40 miles an hour. Let's go down here and look, see what's going on right here. This is going to be a thunderstorm warning continuing for Lee County, and this will be moving Phillips County, Lee County. There's a thunderstorm warning with tornado tag. It's got 60 miles an hour wind gust. It's moving at 40 miles an hour, coming into Helena, West Helena, here in the next 10-15 minutes. So we're going to be watching this. This isn't staying. Let's go back to our rotation. So There's our sweep. See if I can look at my other screen here. Let's go. See if we got any updates on this tornado warning in Cross County. So we don't have necessarily any updates. So at 3:10, this tornado warning is going to be until 4 p.m. now. We have a tornado and quarter-size hail radar indicated. This is going to be for okay, so this is going to be for in Tennessee and Western Tennessee. Let's go down to Crittenden County. So Crittenden County, did they cancel that tornado warning? Let's go look and see if that tornado warning is still active. Let me see. Go up to Cross County. I'm not seeing that tornado warning. It looks like that tornado warning may be canceled for, let's see. Yeah, so the tornado warning for Crittenden County and southeastern Cross County is canceled. So the rotation has been broadened. Looks like Decatur County in Tennessee is going to be canceled as well. These storms are moving pretty quickly to the Mississippi River. Yeah, okay, good deal. So the tornado warning has been dropped. Yeah, so we're just going to continue to monitor these storms. It looks like we got thunderstorms all the way from Mississippi County and in northeastern Arkansas. We're going to be going all the way down to El Dorado to Louisiana. So we're going to be watching these storms for any rotations. I think I'm going to take a break here. This will be a good time to take a break. Let me call Cameron and ask him a few questions so that I can make sure I'm good to go on a couple of things. And then if anything else happens, we will break back in and join you for any tornado warnings. Let's see. So stay tuned here on Arkansas Weather Watchers. We will be on 24/7 on YouTube and on Roku channel. The Fire TV also. So hang tight with us. Let me call Cameron, get some things worked out, and then we will be back with
From Arkansas's #1 trusted source for weather. This is a severe weather.
All right, we're back live here at the studio, Arkansas Weather Watchers. I'm John. We're going to be coming to you for a tornado warning that's coming into Chico County This is a tornado warning until 5:15 p.m. Let's see here if I can get some information pulled up on it. Okay, go here. I'm still trying to learn all these fancy tools that Cameron's got, so bear with me just a moment. Yeah, so we have a tornado warning at 4:10 p.m. Let's see, until 5:15 p.m. The thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. It was located near Hamburg, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Let's see here. This is going to be for Chico County and Ashley County in the southeastern Arkansas. So we were talking about this earlier. These tornadoes that are down in Louisiana, we were wondering if this was going to track northeast into Chico County, but it looks like we have something that's popped up here for us before the Louisiana storm, and I don't think I was supposed to do that. Let me see here. I'm trying to figure out how to switch to the Little Rock radar. Give me just a moment. Let's see. There's Little Rock. Okay. And then we'll go back down here. I might be able to go to Jackson, Mississippi, probably. Let's see. So go to Jackson. Let's see if we can pull this up. Okay. Now then, we'll go to Alt F2. Let's see here what's going on. All right, so once again, this tornado warning was located near Hamburg, moving at 30 miles an hour. This is going to be in Ashley County and Chico County, and the furthest southeast Arkansas as we can go. So let's see here. And I don't know if that's a better radar or not. Let me see what Little Rock looks like again. So once again, we have a tornado warning until 5:15 p.m. for Chico and Ashley County in southern Arkansas. Gonna pull up Little Rock's radar and see if I can tell the difference. Just so far out there. But yeah, so we're watching this rotation near Hamburg. This is going to be the green is what's coming, is the wind that's coming toward the radar, and the red here is what's going away from the radar. So I'm not sure. Let's see. So this is going to be Ashley 70. We're going to come over here to County Road 104, Ashley Road 60. This is going to be coming into County Road 194, Montrose, Portland. And Lake Village. Let's see here. This is going to be tracking to the north of Eudora, but even Eudora all the way up to Lake Village needs to be taking your tornado safety precautions. Jerome. This is in Ashley County and Chico County in southeastern Arkansas. This tornado warning is until 5:15 p.m. If you have, you want to make sure you go to the lowest level of your house or your home. If you have a basement, be where you want to go. Stay away from windows. Stay in the most interior room of your house. Get as many rooms between you and the outside as possible. So just make sure that you don't go outside. If you're in a trailer or mobile home, make sure you have try to go to a storm shelter. Once again, this is a tornado warning for Ashley County. This is going to be coming into Chico County here pretty soon. This is traveling at 30 miles an hour. I was practicing the tracking thing, so I'm going to try to track this again. So let's see if I can do this. So we're going to go at 40 miles an hour. So Lake Village at 455, Montrose at 438. So you got just a few more minutes left to take shelter if you're in eastern Ashley County, coming into northern Chico County and southeastern Arkansas. So we're watching this tornado warning. See if I can clear this track. If I Once again, we have all of these thunderstorm warnings that have been persistent to the eastern Arkansas area. Most of it has moved over into Tennessee. We've gotten a lot of damage reports into the Tennessee area. So if I bring up the state radar on the right side of your screen, it looks like most of our storms have moved over to eastern Arkansas, but we're still watching these storms down here in southeast Arkansas, south of McGee. This Helena, West Helena storm, let's go look at it real quick. I think it's it doesn't even have a tornado tag now, so it's already crossed the river. So this is already into Mississippi. So Arkansas is in the clear for this area. This is going to be in Lee County and St. Francis County. It's all going to be in the clear now. Crittenden County, all of that where we had the tornado warning earlier is all clear. So let's go back down here to the tornado warning in Ashley County. This is a tornado warning once again until 5:15. Let's see if I can clear this off and get the new. There we go. So this is a tornado warning until 5:15 p.m. It's moving at 30 miles an hour. Let's see if I can get there. Move this over to you so you can see a little bit more of that. We are watching the storm down here in Louisiana as well. We thought it might have been tracking to the east, northeast, maybe coming into the southern Chico area, but we have this storm over here in Ashley County. Once again, if you're in Hamburg, Portland, so let me go change this back, see if I can figure out. I want to go back to Jackson radar. Let me see if I do this. Go back out to Jackson. Where's Jackson? Okay, so Jackson. So let this load up for a second. Let's see what they're saying here. A lot of reports coming out of Tennessee, damage reports. Yeah, so they're just watching the storm down here in Ashley County. It's really hard to tell. I think it's pretty far from the radar, but you can definitely tell some broad rotation going on in Ashley County. So this is in Ashley County in southeast Arkansas. This will be traveling into the Chico County here momentarily. Lake Village, Portland, Jerome. You need to be taking your safety precautions at this time. We have, let me see if there's any cameras down there. Maybe there's no cameras down there, but I think there's a radar in Dermont, actually. I don't know if I can do this. So radar, let's see, Dermont. But there's a third-party radar down in Dermont. If I can, I don't know if I can pull it up on the screen here or not. I better not mess it up. I don't want Cameron mad at me. Cameron does a great job. Cameron does, him and Derek does a fabulous job, and they've got everything set up here the way they want it. So I don't know if I want to change anything up. So we'll just leave it like it is. Once again, we're just watching this tornado warning down here in Ashley County. It's pretty far from Little Rock. Now look at this one. So we see this down here in Louisiana. That's going to be traveling east. So for us Arkansas folks, we want it to stay east, going east, so it doesn't come into the southeast Arkansas port where it just flips the county, Chico County, Eudora, and Dermont area. So we just want to make sure we're watching the storm as it moves east, as it tracks east. But once again, we have a tornado warning until 5:15 p.m. It's already past Hamburg. This is going to be coming into Chico County here momentarily. So if you're in Portland, let's see, Montrose, Lake Village. The tornado warning does include Lake Village, the outskirts of Eudora. Let's see. So this goes all the way down to Carroll Hill Road, Portland Road, County Road 22. So these are all in Chico County, so you need to be taking your tornado precautions. We're going to go up here to the northern part of Chico. Um, this is going east. Let's see if I can track this a little bit better here. Oh, see, it didn't update. Okay, can I get an update now? Okay. All right, so here's the latest update. So, um, golly. So this is going to be between Portland and Montrose, south of Jerome. This is going to be coming into, let's see if I can get County Road 57, New Liberty Road. So once again, this is in Ashley County. This is going to be coming into the Chico County area. It's moving at about 30 miles an hour. See if we can get an update over here on. I'm going to fix his mouse before he comes back, so that way he's confused, like I'm confused with this mouse. So yeah, let's go back over here and see if we have any updates. Yeah, so we don't have any new updates on this tornado warning. We're just watching the circulation that's in Ashley County. Let me see if Little Rock is saying anything about it. Just watching it to see if there's any spin ups. So once again, this is going to be a tornado warning for Ashley County. The people in Montrose and Portland, this will be traveling into the Chico County in southeast Arkansas. See. So you can see that on the right radar, the storms have passed most of northeast Arkansas. That's all now into western Tennessee, northern Mississippi. So those should be completely out of the northeast Arkansas now. So we should be in the all clear in northeast Arkansas. So we're just watching these storms in the southeast Arkansas as they continue to move east. If I can see if I can get another update here. I don't know what I've done. I think I've messed it up. So maybe Cameron's not watching, so he doesn't know what I'm doing wrong. So we're continuing to watch this rotation here in Ashley County. This is the only tornado warning we have in Arkansas. So we're going to stay with this. Maybe it just dropped, actually. So we're going to stay with it just a moment longer. Looks like they just dropped a tornado warning. And let's see. Yeah, so the tornado warning has been dropped. And which is a good thing for Chico County. But the storm has still got a thunderstorm warning for it coming in to cross it. Hamburg, Portland, south of Fountain Hill. This will be a thunderstorm warning that's going to be, let's see, got some 1-inch hail in it, wind gust up to 60 miles an hour. This thunderstorm warning until 5:30 p.m. I would anticipate this to be extended into the Chico County. Let's see. I wonder if I can do. Oh, I don't know what I just did. That didn't do anything, did it? Okay, so that didn't do anything. Let's go here. Yeah, debris. It looks good here. So it doesn't look like there's any debris aloft. Let's go back to the rotation. Some broad rotation going on. But currently, the only thing we have right now is this severe thunderstorm warning that's in Ashley County. That's the only warning that I'm seeing. Oh, let's go down here to, that's a special weather statement. Okay, so a special weather statement, wind gust up to 40 miles an hour. Let's see. It's going to be for El Dorado. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it just 40 miles an hour wind. Yeah, so the only thunderstorm warning we have is down here in Ashley County. This is going to be crossing just north of Crossett. Once again, this is going to be moving east at about 35 miles an hour. Let's see, 33 miles an hour. Tornado warning. Maybe it's tornado warning again. Let's see if we can get an update on that. No, that's the same one that dropped. This is the same tornado warning that has dropped. I need to update. Can I? This is my problem. I can't figure out how to get the updates. Let me go here and go there. So that's the update. So no tornado warnings down here. This is just a thunderstorm warning with winds up to 60 miles an hour and hail could be up to an inch in diameter. So this is moving at 33 miles an hour. This thunderstorm warning is for Ashley County until 5:30 p.m. We're watching this storm down here in Louisiana once again we hope it stays east, in a solid east direction, but we'll continue to watch it to see if it goes any northern track at all, where it would cut into Chico County. But these should be all moving across the river here pretty soon, and then it should be quiet night. Let's see if we can zoom out and see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, so this storm up here in West Helena earlier in Lee County is moved into the northern Mississippi area. Yeah, it's got a pretty good punch with it as well. But the only thing we have going on right now is this thunderstorm warning. As Cameron always says, we'll give it about 5 minutes. Give it about 5 minutes here to make sure there's not any updates. Okay, so now they just extended that thunderstorm warning into Chico County. So let me pull that up and see if I can get some more information on that. So I swear I'm going to fix his mouse where he can use a mouse. Like his mouse goes, I don't know, it's like he's got a bunch of screens and his mouse goes like all kinds of directions. So it's confusing. But that's, is that a thunderstorm warning? That is a thunderstorm warning for Chico County until 5:45 p.m. This storm is moving at about 30 miles an hour with wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. We have hail size could be up to a diameter. So if I could go to Chico County, this is a thunderstorm warning. Let's see, until 5:45 p.m. There's a thunderstorm located over at Montrose or 13 miles west of Lake Village, moving east at 30 miles an hour. So this could be a wind gust up to 60 miles an hour, quarter size hail. There could be hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. You remember those trampolines? You want to make sure that you got your trampoline secured because those things will pick up and blow over. This thunderstorm will be near Lake Village around 4:45 p.m. Chico Junction around 4:55. I'm sorry, Lake Village around 4:45 p.m. and then Chico Junction around 4:55 p.m. Greenville around 5:10 p.m. Wayside around 5:15 p.m. So we're just going to continue to monitor this for just a few more minutes to make sure there's not any rotation. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's go back to Little Rock radar and see if I can figure out how to get to Little Rock. So let's pull up the Little Rock radar. Get an update. See here. We'll zoom back down here and make sure I can get some updates. And we'll do that. Go over here. All right, so yeah, we'll just watch this. This is pretty far from the radar. So once again, the green, I'm at the Little Rock radar is what I'm looking at now, and so this green is winds that's coming toward the radar. The red is what's coming away from the radar. So that's what we're just kind of watching. But it looks really broad, so I think we're all good. Let me see what they are talking about on this storm. See if there's any updates. They're just watching for spin ups, so nothing going on really for this area. Once again, there's a thunderstorm warning for Ashley County and Chico County until 5:30 for Ashley County and 545 for Chico County. So wind gust up 60 miles an hour. This could still cause some damage to property, tree lines, power poles. Looks like we have 12,000 people without power across Arkansas. So a lot less than we were last night. So we appreciate all of our electricians, the electrical companies out there getting power back up. That's a necessity for us. We gotta have our power. So we'll just keep watching this thunderstorm here for just a moment longer. This is going to be in Ashley County. Let's see if we can get some information here. This is Ashley County till 5:30. We don't have any new updates on this one. And then we have Chico County in the southeast Arkansas near Lake Village until 5:45. So, so this should be coming into the Lake Village here pretty quickly. So if I zoom in just a little bit, this one's going to be the Chico Airport Road. Let me see if I can change this up some. Let's see here. So Lingo Road, County Road 304. This is still Lingo, County Road 304 all the way down. County Road 318. So this will be crossing over that pretty quickly. This is coming into Lake Village here in the next 5 minutes. I'm going to play with this track again to see if I can figure out how to do this. This is going to have to come out. So we're going to go about, it said 30 miles an hour, storm vector at 38. So let's do 38. And I don't have my cities. This was the other issue I was having. I had to fix Cameron's map. So that way this is fixed when he comes back. So I'll fix this for him when he comes back as well. I'll have just this whole thing all set up for him and nice when he comes back. So he's all confused too. Let's take this track off since it's not giving me any cities. Let's go close this out. So let's go see if there's anything going on. I'll go to this. Yeah, so we have a thunderstorm warning for Ashley County, thunderstorm warning for Chico County, and this is all going to be in the southeastern, the farthest south as you can go. We're still watching this tornado warning that's still just like stationary down here in Louisiana. That's been there for quite a while. I'm going to change radars back to Jackson, Tennessee. Where's my Jackson guy at? Right there it is. So we're going to go back here, see if we can see anything, any updates. Oh yeah, see how this is, so once again, this is in Louisiana. This tornado warning is in Louisiana. This is going to be in southern, northern Louisiana. We have rotation here that's going to be traveling east. This tornado warning is moving east at 46 miles an hour. If it stays in the most eastern track and doesn't come northeast at all, then we should be good here in Chico County. But if this thing turns to the north at all, then we could track to the northeast into Chico County. But right now, we're thinking that let's put some motion on this to see. Oh, it's going to take a minute to update for me. Yeah, so this is all tracking straight east. So we should be good to go in Arkansas for this tornado warning that's in Louisiana. So we'll just continue to monitor these thunderstorm warnings that are located in Ashley and Chico County. Chico County until 5:45. We don't have any new updates on that, do we? Let's see. His mouse. I'm gonna throw his mouse out the studio window and get. Let's see here. No, we don't have any new updates on that one. And this is just a special weather statement down here. That's going to be coming into Crossett soon. Let's see, wind gust up to 40 miles an hour, 3/4 of an inch size hail. And then we have a thunderstorm warning for Ashley County and a thunderstorm warning for Chico County. So, I mean, it doesn't look like there's anything going on with it. Just some wind gusts, some hail. Man, once again, Tennessee is just getting hammered over there. The reports are still coming in for Tennessee. I don't have any new updates on Arkansas. But if we zoom all the way out again, I think I can go over here and zoom out. As you can see, most of our storms have moved over east of the Mississippi River, so I would think that we're all clear here in northeast Arkansas, central Arkansas, obviously western Arkansas. Looks all good. Now we do have some storms coming in on Friday, so I'll be back with you on Friday while Cameron and Derek's on vacation. So yeah, we're just watching these two storms down here. I'm afraid if I go off air, then I might have a spin up or something going on, but I guess I can always come back. But we're just watching these thunderstorm warnings down here in southeast Arkansas. We have a thunderstorm warning until 5:30 for Ashley County and until 5:45 for Chico County. These storms are moving east at about 40 miles an hour. Well, about 38, 30, let's see, what is that? Yeah, so 35, 40 miles an hour, moving pretty quickly. This did have a tornado warning earlier, but they've since canceled it. Yeah, so the past few polygons that continue to track east in that Louisiana storm. So yeah, so down here in Louisiana, it's tracking east pretty good. So and just to learn something while we're streaming here for the first time, see if we can see. This is your debris signature. Not really seeing any debris with it. Go back to rotation. Let's see here. Let's see what other shortcuts he gave me. So F10. Okay, so you can see here where this is the rotation strength that we've got here, and you can see this dark red on the back side is a little weaker, but then this is the strong rotation. But if I go back to the rotation here, you can definitely see how the green is coming towards radar. Once again, this is in Jackson, Mississippi radar, so you can see the green, how it's going, the winds are going toward the radar, the red is going away from the radar. So we have this little, let me see if I can draw. Can I draw something? I don't know if I know how to draw. No. I click the button to draw. Oh, I got to turn the draw on. Let me see here. Pen on. Did that do anything? Nope. Okay. So I don't know how to draw. But once again, this tornado warning is in Louisiana, so this is going to be outside the Arkansas coverage area. But we're just watching this, make sure it doesn't come any northern at all. We don't want it to come north at all. If it tracks northeast, then it could clip the most farthest Chico County, but it's tracking east, and it's going to be staying east. Yeah. So we're hopeful for that. So the only thing we've really got going on is this thunderstorm warnings, 60-mile-an-hour wind. This is Chico County until 5:45. This is Ashley County until 5:30. So these storms are tracking to the east at 35 miles an hour. Let me see if I can. That is our latest scan. Okay. I want to go back to Little Rock. See if I can play with some of these other tools that he's got while we're waiting, trying to learn some of the stuff that he's got. I'm used to being in the background on Discord. Let's see here. So this is Little Rock. So we're just watching this as it tracks east at about 35 miles an hour. Once again, this is going to be 60-mile-an-hour winds, up to an inch high as hail, tracking east into Ashley County and Chico County, Arkansas. This is going to be the farthest south, east Arkansas. We have a storm here. Looks like it's a special weather statement that's across the river, so we're all clear there. We continue to go northeast Arkansas. Northeast Arkansas looks like it's clear up here as well. Looks like Dunklin County, Missouri here in the Boot Heel might have a little pop-up or something, but if I go to Memphis radar and we'll take a look at it. So yeah, it looks like Mississippi County. This is going to be in Dunklin County, Missouri. A little pop-up down there. But really nothing going on in northeast Arkansas, eastern Arkansas, as these storms track to the east, crossing the river into Tennessee, into Mississippi. So let's go back down here to Chico County, Ashley County, no updates, and Chico County, and no updates. So I'm going to pause it here. Let's pull up the Little Rock radar and pull up the Little Rock radar. We'll let that pull another scan here. Let me see if there's any updates going on. Man, these pictures are devastating in Tennessee. There's trees down, power poles, houses damaged. Northern Mississippi and Boonville's got some damage. Let's see here. Looks like Phillips County, Arkansas. Phillips County has been canceled the tornado watch. So as we see these storms move to the east and crossing the Mississippi River into Tennessee and Mississippi, we'll see these tornado watches being dropped or canceled as these storms move off to the east outside of Arkansas. So I don't know why I'm not seeing radar. I don't know what I did. It's probably this mouse that Cameron's got. It keeps messing my radar up. I think that's what it is. So let me see. Okay, maybe I was on Memphis again still, but we're down here in southern Arkansas. We're watching these thunderstorm warnings. This had a tornado warning earlier. We don't even have a tornado signature on this, like a tornado tag, POS tag. So yeah, I think we've watched this go on for a little while. This tornado warning in Louisiana has been dropped as well, so I think we're good to go. So just going to wrap this up real quick. The only thunderstorm warnings we have currently in Arkansas is going to be down here in Ashley County. Thunderstorm warning for Chico County. These are all going to be moving to the east at about 35 miles an hour. These should be crossing the river in the next hour or two. Probably, I would say by 7 o'clock, these storms should be out of Arkansas. Everything else looks good. We will be back on Friday to watch the storms again on Friday into Friday night into Saturday to try to get that. So I'll be watching those over the next couple of days. I appreciate the moderators helping me out. So all the moderators there, appreciate you guys for helping me and keeping me on track and kind of helping fill in for me. Appreciate that. So we're going to call it for now. If there's a tornado warning that pops up in southeast Arkansas, then we'll come back to you. But I think we're going to be good for now. So stay with Arkansas Weather Watchers. This is John Cook. I'm out here in the firstregional.com weather studio in Little Rock. We're watching these storms move off to the east into Mississippi and Tennessee. So y'all be safe, and we'll catch you again soon. Appreciate you guys, and thank you for your patience.